Hi everyone, this is Aki with another quick video. This is on Pages and how to insert table of content for your document or book. So I have a book here, with different sections, and at the very top, I want to put table of content here. So let me just change the view to one page right now. And okay, so this is where I want my table of content. So the way to do that, you just select where you want to enter your table of content, then go to Insert and slide down to Table of Contents. And now you can specify whether you want this table of content to be for the whole document or a section. So I'm going to say the whole document. So now it's generating table of contents. So right now I can see that I only have two things, and I'm like, where's the rest of the chapters and so on. You actually can select what you want in your table of content by just going on the right under format, table of content. Here you can select one more time how you want your table of content and click on customize styles. So here you will see the different paragraph styles that you have in your book. And right now I just have one type of paragraph style selected, the chapters. But now I want to say I actually want to have maybe parts. So now you should see parts are coming up. So parts of my book are selected as well. And maybe, I have some. Let me see if this is the sections I want. These are the sections that I want. No, that's not it. You have to kind of remember how you title them. I think it was subheadings. Yes, these were subheadings. Okay, so you kind of have to remember which sections of your book you want to enter. Like if you don't remember, if you click on a section, let's say, let me select this, and like I'm not sure if I want these to be there, I can select the title and see the paragraph style, what it is, subheading that I have, or like another section. Let me find like this one. Is this a chapter or part? So it tells you what it is. So then I know that that's what I want in my table of content. So now I'm in my table of content, but I just kind of don't like how this looks. Let me change it to 2 pages now. Let me see if I can't see it that way, but that's okay. So this is how it looks right now, but I want to format it a bit to make it more visually appealing. So the way to format is actually the same way you would format any text. You just want to click, and what happens is it will select the sections that are the same. So right now you can see that like in this light orange peach color, I have these sections. Some of these other sections are different paragraph styles. So I'm going to go to, you still going to format on the right. Now I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to say, okay, I want to change this from capital letters to just regular sentence letters. So then you just keep formatting how you want it. So I'm going to change it to title case, let's say. Now, do I want the page number? So at the very bottom, you can uncheck the page number. So it just lists like sections, but it doesn't show page numbers. And then maybe let's say the main parts of the book, I want to do like a different color of the text, and maybe make it bold. And you can also do spacing. You can change the spacing for them. You can pretty much just style it as you would like, and you can change the font and so on. So I'm just going to make it Montserrat. Oops, you see I just clicked on the table of contents section, that's why it's, and I'm actually going to put the page numbers there. You can also like maybe indent the subsection of the book. So I like to do that like under indents and format. I want to maybe slide it over a little bit and maybe decrease the size of these, maybe to 12 size, 12 points. So this kind of like, looks much better right away. And you can just check if it works by just clicking on the section. Once you in it, you can just you just have to let the formatting on be unselected before you click. Like right here, you can see my icon, my pointer is changing. So now I know I can go back to that section. Um, and yeah, so hopefully this helps you, figure out how to do that for your document or a book. So thanks for watching.